Hello guys, welcome back to OK's Funland. Today I am going on a trip, on an amazing trip. Guess where I am going? Now we are here, where we are at the airport. This is aeroplanes coming and going. So cool. I saw so many. And this is Mumbai's International Airport. Look, that aeroplane is flying, guys. Look at that views of big aeroplanes. Very nice. Guys, more aeroplanes. We saw so many. Nice. They are so big. That is a British Airways. More aeroplanes, guys. This one looks nice. Look at this. This is where we will be going. It's time to fly at the aeroplane. Let me show you everything. This is our window view. Now we are going. We have started going a bit faster. And faster and faster. And getting ready for takeoff. Now we are taking off, guys. We have taken off. Now we are going into the sky. Look at this view of buildings. This is a very nice view. So guys, I'm just here bored. Look at those clouds. We are above the clouds. Mountains. Look at that mountain. Nice. Look at those clouds. We are above them. Okay, more view. So we are almost ready for landing. Oh yes. We have landed and we have finally landed in the airport, and now we're going to our hotel. Whoa. This looks okay, guys. Now I have just had dinner. It is very cold here. That's why I am in my sweater. This is everywhere. It is so clean here. Our hotel is right up there. Now we are going for a quick walk and going back to our hotel to sleep. It is very, very, very cold. It is literally 14 degrees Celsius out here. It is very cold. We are going down the hotel to eat some breakfast. Here we are. Okay, time to eat. I had an egg. Now we are going. We are outside the hotel having some fun. Now we're going to a place to visit. We are here at viewpoint, top place of Ooty. View is amazing. This is very good view. Those mountains, so greenery. Nice. Dance break. Guys, it is museum time. Oh, this is so cool. Nice. We are at a government botanical garden. Time to go inside. Flowers, cool nature, so good. Flowers, trees, making some types of shapes. I love it. So many different kinds of flowers. And a cool fact of here that plastic is banned here. Wow, flowers, so beautiful. More pink flowers, trees, and behind very much red flowers. Wow. Ooh, this is a statue. Means of a bullock cart before. Let's see these flowers, amazing trees, and look, there's a little sitting area over there. Look at the trees and the flowers. Look at these flowers, so beautiful. Nice. Oh, this is our map. So cool. And this is the map of India. And it is all of nature. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Look at this tree. Flowers, so beautiful. This time white ones. Yep, dance break. That bird. Oh, it is a clock. And it is all made of nature. Only that thing is different. Day 3 and day 4 are part 2.